Let me show you how easy it is to make this amazing Rocky Road ice cream without an ice cream maker. You only need these 6 ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, unsweetened cocoa, heavy cream, toasted almonds, mini marshmallows, and mini chocolate chips. Start by mixing together sweetened condensed milk and unsweetened cocoa in a bowl, then set the bowl aside. In a large bowl, beat heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Then fold about a cup of the whipped cream into the cocoa mixture to lighten it. Add the lightened cocoa mixture to the remaining whipped cream and fold the two together until well combined for the chocolate ice cream. Add mini marshmallows, toasted almonds, and mini chocolate chips to the chocolate ice cream and fold everything together for the Rocky Road ice cream. Transfer the Rocky Road ice cream to a chilled metal loaf pan, cover the pan and freeze for at least 6 hours. Enjoy this amazing Rocky Road ice cream. For the complete recipe, visit pudgefactor.com.